splendid brood. Did the big egg hatch out over? Ah! Look at her. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at her. Did you leave her in the egg too long? I admire you for your look, strictly on charlotte. She may be no tin of silk. Neither, dear, are you. I must be going. I heard the children sing the farmhouse during French bread and slaughter. It'll be strange. I don't want to miss it. Look at me, look at you, what's it matter? Why do I need to laugh and scoff? Why don't we play with the bitter? You and me, she is a bit extra. The variation on the scene. I don't want to say much. Let's have a what is it? I've been here. There's your answer, dear. Peck, peck, peck. Pick, not peck, peck. It's a little bit sticky. Look at her. Did you ever see a pig with wings? Look at her. Some genetics do the strangest things. So the thought may not take no breaks, the ties are fine. If you gave the cat a meal, nobody would mind. Then go on short with that from. Look at her. She's nothing when there is no doubt. Look at her. Does she ever give this inside out? Sometimes we find it kinder if some eggs never hatch. Look at her, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at her, finest catfoot that I've ever seen. Better still, she won't be missed. They think she's a flop. Maybe they'll let me use it, giving her the chop.